Hello everyone, I am Asif Ali and you are watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this circuit effect in Unreal Engine Niagara. So let's check it out. So I have this empty folder called circuit, and I will just create a default Niagara preset, this fountain. I will take this and just rename it circuit, and you have this fountain here. So the changes I will make, I'll delete all these forces and velocity and location. Now I have this spawn rate, I will just make it 100 and make the life constant like 5, and maybe this one also constant like 5, and disable this. So if you add a curl noise here,